Hey, this is June from Turning Point Life Investment. I'm just going to show you a few of the positions that we recommended through our Trade Alert service on our website, www.tplinvestment.com. Now, during this month of December, a lot of our trades were bull put spreads only because we felt like the market has reached a bottom. And a lot of times when you buy calls, when the market's rallying, option premium decreases, especially when it comes from a high volatility environment like we came from. So if volatility drops, that usually drops the option premium as well. So if you're buying calls, for example, a lot of those calls will decrease in value, mainly because of the drop in volatility, like we mentioned. So therefore, selling options would be a much wiser choice in this type of environment where volatility is decreasing. So we recommended a few naked puts to sell, naked puts in very low stock price positions, such as Yahoo. Okay, a few of them on FXI. You can see here, this is for December, the month of December. We sold some naked put on December for a strike price of 10 for Yahoo, and then also for 24 for FXI. And then you can also see a few position bull put spreads. They're all bull put spreads here. Some FXI and RS, those two were the ones we recommended. Okay, so let's take a look at how they're doing right now. Currently, they're doing pretty well. This is the current gain or loss at this moment. I think there's about a week or so left in this month of December. So there's still quite a bit of value of premium left in these positions here. So when December month of options expire, then these will pretty much go to zero and we will collect the rest of this value right here. Now looking at FXI, we entered FXI towards this pullback right here in this time frame, only because if you compare FXI to the rest of the market, it's a lot stronger than the market. Why? Because, well, back here in November, if you let me pull up the market, it made a new low, okay, but if you go back to FXI, it held on, so it's showing relative strength, meaning that it's much stronger than the market. Okay, so the market's always your point of reference, and anything you compare your stock with always has to compare with the market or a particular sector that it's in. So in this case, this stock is much stronger than the market, so when it does rally, it rally much harder and faster as well. The other one we recommended was for RS. The reason why we chose RS is if you were to draw this trend line right here, let me take away the studies. If you draw this trend line right here, you can see how it recently broke through this downtrend line, came back and tested it as support. And also you can see how support, it's being built right around this $16 level. And also from a weekly chart, you can see that this chart is overly oversold. And this is in a commodities related stock. And you know all that sector has been pretty much beaten down. So it's reaching some kind of bottom around this area. And so therefore we did a bull put spread at 15 with our short strike at 15. And the last one I want to talk about is for Yahoo, which is the one we did a naked put for. It's a strike price of 10 for this naked put. So that means as long as Yahoo stays above the $10 by expiration, then we would collect the premium that we sold for. Now, the only reason why we did a naked put is because, well, we don't really mind owning Yahoo as a stock. So we recommend only if you don't mind owning stock, then you go ahead and do naked puts. Otherwise, there is a chance of assignment. Now, let's say if you do get assigned, well, you can go around, turn, and go ahead and sell covered calls against your stock. Okay, so it's another great strategy you can use. Even though you gain stock, it's not a complete loss, right? The stock can appreciate in value as well. So once again, if you are interested in our service, our website is right here at tplinvestment.com. Okay, and the name is Turning Point Life Investment. It should bring you here to this homepage right here.